meat grinding machine attachments. First off, the overall dimensions of a height of at least 10 inches, a depth of 12 3/4 inches, and a length of 8.5 inches. Measurements are applied from the bottom to the top of the tray, and measurements for the length and depth applies for only just the tray itself. Coming to the top will be the tray and the area to dispense and dump in the portions of meat that you want to grind. Measurements for the interior itself, we have at least 7 inches in length, 11 inches in depth, with a height of at least 1 3/4 inches tall. Coming to the back will be the bolt to insert and install this attachment onto that meat grinder you're using. And included will be the push tool to help assist when you pour in or dump in the portions of meat that you want to dispense and grind. Coming to the bottom will be the blade along with the face. And the measurements for the face replacement itself will be 2 3/4 inches in radius, with the blade measuring 3.5 inches in radius. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.